I think that human rights and environmental problems often tend to be the two sides of the exact same coin.
Mm,
One of the most fascinating things that we found out when I was at Greenpeace, when I was our Southeast Asia research director, was that all these vessels that were the most implicated in IUU fishing, in pirate fishing and overfishing, and fishing juveniles and fishing out of season, fishing in marine protected areas, basically the vessels that are trashing the ocean, disproportionately, they also had some of the worst human rights violations. They were just floating prisons. And not just with seafood slaves, but in order to keep people in that level of servitude, they would deploy immense amounts of violence, torture, killings, threats, confiscating people's papers and beating them. I remember I was working in Bangkok with the oceans team there, and my flatmate was this fantastic reporter for The Guardian who broke open this landmark first ever expose of seafood slavery. I would go to the office after talking to Kate, and I'd be like, guys, we have got to do more about human rights abuses in the high seas and in all these ports, because the penalties for the environmental stuff are so low, but the penalties for the human rights abuses are higher in these vessels.
mhm,
Let's start
mhm.
working on this in a holistic way